Excuse me, I would like to borrow a book about data structure.
Sure, let me check. But I'm not sure this book's still available.
But yesterday it was available. I really need it for my assignment.
The records are written manually, and some data hasn't been updated yet.
Is there a better way to manage this?
Managing a library manually can lead to confusion, data errors, and inefficiency. To solve this problem, we created a management system library with C++ program.
Hello everyone! We are Group 3 and I am Supyi Nanta.
I am Ciradwi Raharjo.
I'm Natasha Emanuela.
In this video, we will present a library management system program written in C++.
This video is part of an assignment for data structure course of Mr. Aswan. For the purpose of this project is to demonstrate the implementation of data structure and object-oriented programming concept in a simple library management system.
In the following sections, we will explain the program structure and how each part of the code works. Thank you and let's begin.
Okay, so this program is used to manage books, members, and basic library activity, such as borrowing and returning books. At the beginning, the program server standard library are included. The IOStream library handles input and output. Factor in use to store multiple books and members. And string is used to work with text data like titles and names. The program also using namespace std to make the code cleaner. Next, the program defines two main classes, books and members. The book class store information such as book ID, title, author, and quantity. The member class store the member ID and the names.
Both classes use constructors to initialize their data when objects are created. The main logic of the system is handled by the library class. This class contains factors for books and members and manage all library operations. Some books are added automatically when the program starts. Before adding a new book, the program checks whether the book ID already exists to avoid duplicates. Users can add books, view all books and members, and view registered members.
The system also supports borrowing and returning books. When borrowing, the program checks if the book exists and if enough quantity are available before reducing the quantity. When returning, the quantity is increased after validating the import. All features are connected through the main function, which displays a menu for user interaction. The program runs continuously until the user chooses to exit. In conclusion, this project demonstrates how object-oriented programming in C++ can be used to build a simple and effective library management system. Okay, now let's run the code.
So at first, we need to add new books. So let's try type 1. Then enter book ID. I think I'm gonna try this one and enter. And the book title is Ayah. Oh, I'm so sorry. Then the author name is and enter quantity. I think I'm gonna use 2 books. Then the book added successfully. Okay, so next we need to input the other books. So in here, the ID books 1, 2, 3, I think. Then the book title is In a Blue Moon. The author name is Ilana Tan. Quantity is 2. Next, for the last books, one ID book, I think this one. Then the title books is Cantik Itu Luka. And for the author name is Eka Kurniawan. And quantity is 2. And it's success. Then let's try to show the books. Let's type 2 and Tara. Here is the books.
Okay, next we add the member. The member ID, I think I'm gonna choose 1, 2, 3, 4. Member name, the first one is Natasha. Okay, member added successfully. Okay, we add other member. Member ID, I think 4, 3, 2, 1. Member name, sorry. Member added successfully. We gonna add member again. Member ID 5, 6, 7, 8. Member name. Wait. Member added successfully. Okay, let's show the members. And there is the members.
Okay, now let's try borrowing and returning book. Book ID 231. Borrow one book. Okay, it's successfully borrowed book. And now let's show how many books are there in the library now. So the quantity reduced to 1. And the original quantity is 2. And now I'm borrow one book. And there is only one book in the library. Okay, now let's do next. Return book. 2, 3, 1. One book. Okay, now let's check again. Okay, now the quantities remains 2 because I returned one book to the library.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.